Hi, welcome back. So we're at the last outline, theoretical framework in section 2, philosophy of framework, in chapter 5, framework and research design. Let's go ahead and explore a visual presentation before introducing the academic definition of theoretical framework. So I'm getting back to the previous image of conceptual framework. In this conceptual framework, we have seen a statement, and we knew that we're going to conduct this research to illustrate the answer for these statements. And then we constructed the elements that define the statements, and we constructed a way to measure each element, and we just put the final image as follows. But we have left to define the arrows. And the actual meaning of defining the arrows is as if we are trying to say, why are we conducting this research? What is the purpose of this? The purpose actually, as simple as the statement says, if there is an assumption or theoretical assumption, a hypothesis, which says that there is an existing relation between the teaching method that is affecting the student's performance. And it's logical to say as well that this teaching method is delivered by a teacher. So the teacher is delivering any of those possible three methods, and the application of any of these three methods in the box of teaching methods, it has an impact on the student performance. This question on why we are conducting the research is what is known as a theoretical framework. That's why the idea of theoretical framework is to introduce or to describe the theory which explain why the research problem under study exists. We have actually created this arrow and the directionality between those elements, which is another way of conducting the answer for why the research exists at the first place. Both conceptual or theoretical framework are very important image for a researcher to understand in order to start the research based on scientific foundation. Later on the second lab, when we start to implement the real technical tools that we have learned so far, we will see how the theoretical framework and the conceptual framework will make quite a bit sense in a practical way. But for now, I hope that the image of conceptual or theoretical framework from this graphical image is quite clear. So we have reached out to the end of section 2, and now we are ready to discuss the last section of this chapter, and that is research technical implementation. I will see you then.